Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are in the season of Christmas, season of celebration. Yes, Christmas is a holiday period that so many people seize the opportunity to celebrate with their family, bond with their family, travel and chill with their families. Yes, whereas some other persons sees Christmas as an avenue, as an opportunity, as a season of making extra income. Yes, are you looking forward to start up any form of business, any form of seasonal business this Christmas period to make extra income? Yes, here are top 8 items that can actually sell this Christmas period and make your seasonal profits. Number 1 is wares. You can sell children wares, you can sell adult wares, you can sell both male and female wares. Yeah. You can also decide to go into kids wear because this is the one that will give you that profit that you are looking for. You can either sell their jeans, their shirts, or sell their shoes, or even sell all these their fancy items, all these children eyeglasses, children wristwatch, children toys. Yeah, you can actually sell any of these children items and make your profit because this season, whether a parent like it or not, they must get it for their children. Every parent wants their child or their children to look good. So this particular period, every parent must afford to buy one or two for their kids. So be that plug that they are looking for, be that whatever you know that is of children this period and making money. Another one you can consider is food stock. Yes, you can actually source from the market, buy in a larger quantity and resell to those people that cannot go to market, especially those people that always look for you as their personal shopper. Yes, go to the market, get those food items for them and sell to them. You can also contribute money. You bring yourself together, form a group, bring yourself together, go to the market and buy at a cheaper rate. Be that plug that they are going to use this period. Another one they can actually consider is food supply. By food supply, you being a caterer. Yes, make a food timetable for this Christmas. Let people know that you can actually deliver their food to them because there are people this period they don't want to stress themselves. They've already concluded that this Christmas period is their resting period and they don't want to even enter the kitchen. They don't want to smell the kitchen. Yeah, so be their go-to person. Make a food timetable. Let people know they can actually deliver so food to them this period in case they don't want to stress themselves. Yes, and be their go-to person that actually do their small chores for them, chin and so on and so forth. Cake, yes, provide all of these services to them. There are so many people who are willing to pay, who are looking for who would render these services because them on their own, they've already decided that this Christmas period is their resting period. So make yourself available, do any of these two and make your money this period. Another one you can actually consider is making yourself an event planner and the decorator. This period, there are so many events that will be happening this period. There are so many traditional marriage, there are so many white weddings, there are so many events that will taking place this period, housewarming, festival, and so many things, chieftaincy title taking and all of that, coronation. Yes, be their event planner. Yes, plan their event for them and make your money this period, this short period of time. Be event planner and make your money. Be their decorator. Plan for them. Source out whatever item they need for the decoration of that event and make your good money. Have you gotten any idea of the businesses you can actually do this period? If no, then this next one is for you. Meanwhile, if you're watching this essay, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. The next one you can actually consider going into is renting of Christmas trees. There are people who does not have Christmas tree in their homes or at the offices. Yes, and they don't want to buy and keep. So what they do every year is they go out and rent for that short period of time. They will use it and decorate their office place. Some banks do that. They will use it and decorate their office place. They will use it and decorate their home. Once that Christmas is over, they will return those trees back to the owner. So you can actually run this as a business. Yes, being that person that will be renting out those Christmas tree and make money. Another beautiful one is lightning arrangement. Yes, you know Christmas lightning that they use to decorate the Christmas trees and the streets that everywhere be sparkling. Yeah, you can actually go into that sales of that Christmas lightning. Source out those lightning from the market where they are selling those items and resell to companies, resell to homes. Yes, some person does not know where to get those items. They know you can get it in the market, but they don't know the exact place to go and get them. So sold those lightnings and sell to those people who are willing to buy to grandma their Christmas for them. Another one you can actually consider is gift packaging. Yes, so many companies, so many organizations, so many schools, so many clubs are winding up for the year, and every year they gift their customers. Yes, be that person that they will actually meet for the gift ideas that they can actually gift their customers. Yes, create a different gift package. Yes, design a different gift package and the prices. Go to companies, go to organizations, go to marketplace, go to businesses, reach out to the owners, tell them they can actually get this gift package for their customers. They are willing to buy because they have been thinking of what package they are going to be gifting their customers. So once you now make yourself available by providing those ideas to them, they might decide to choose one out of those three or four that you provided. Yes, be that person that they will source out for. They can actually make this an annual something. Every year they will be calling you for that. Next year they will still call you for another gift idea. You now come and give them the idea and they will patronize you as well. Another one is gift delivery. There are people who has those gifts, but they don't know how to deliver it, or they are looking for who will deliver those gifts to their customers, to their friends, to their family members. Yes, be that person that they are going to call to deliver those gifts to their clients, to their family members, to their friends. Yes, make yourself available for such services and make your money this Christmas period. Yes, another one that you can go into if you are into music is musical show. This period, there are so many occasions that are being held this Christmas period. You will see traditional marriage, you will see white wedding, you will see coronation, you will see housewarming, you will see Christmas parties, you will see so many parties, you see so many occasions happening. If you're into music, you can actually use this opportunity, this period, to make good cash by making and still want you to come and sing during their own occasion. So render these services and make your good money. So go to those occasions and sing, showcase your talent, sing. And once your performance is good in a particular occasion, other people might see you there. And if there is any business idea that you are looking forward to start that I did not mention, please drop such idea in the comment section and we will be discussing about such business idea. But with this few, you can actually make extra profit this Christmas period. Yes, guys. Another one you can actually consider is gift wrapping. Yeah, and make yourself available in gift shops. There are so many gift shops. Yes. So go to those gift shop. Tell them that you know how to wrap gifts. So let them use you. When any customer purchases any gift item and they needed a wrapper, be that person that will package those gifts, that will wrap those gifts. Yes, and make money from wrapping gifts. Yes, so gift wrapping is another wonderful idea that you're making money from this Christmas period. Yes, make money from gift wrapping. You can actually offer again after wrapping the gift to deliver those gifts to their clients or to their customers. Yes, so you can actually run these two services at the same time, wrap the gift and also deliver the gift to their customers. Meanwhile, in my next video, we'll be talking about how to spend wisely this Christmas period. Don't spend extravagantly. Don't say because you have made money this Christmas period, you now want to finish the money. There is January, there is school fees to pay, there is house rent to pay, there is water bill to pay, there is electricity bill to pay. There is so many bills awaiting January. So spend wisely. My next video, we're talking about that. So see you in the next one. Bye.